Hi everyone, this is Agnes and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nestified.
Anong gagawin nyo? Venetian.
Ikaw, tulero ka dyan.
Parang nababago yung boses mo. Bago kasi yung
So, dyan kami. So, for today's video mga ka-Nestified, I will be sharing to you and I will bring you to the Little Venice or Venetia here in Baku, Azerbaijan. So excited na kami, yung mga Spice Girls, to experience this ride sa mga gondolas or the Venetian boat here in the Little Venice.
The other one, this is 5. The other one, the next. That one palit.
Uy, picturean niyo dun sila ha. We are 5, that is not 1. Lady, she will join with the other 2. We are 5, right? 5.
The one here.
So, 1 then.
4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Remember?
Yes.
Depende po yung
How about us? Which one?
5. 1 here. Yeah, 1 there. This one? Can 5 is okay? 5 is okay? Ay, baka okay. Baka tulog tayo.
So, here we are mga ka-Nestified. It's our turn to ride in this Venetian boat. Actually, this is the one of the main attractions here in the Little Venice is yung pag-ride sa mga Venetian boat or gondola. So, ayan. So, this time, medyo there is, explaining something para sa aming mag-guide sa amin ng boat, mag-row ng Venetian boat, medyo hindi siya marunong mag-English, unfortunately. So, may mga konting explanation na nangyayari kasi allowed lang dito is 4 person. So, yung isa namin kasama, doon siya sa isang group of friends din na magjo-join sa isang Venetian boat. So, ayan, medyo nag-explain ng konti. Ayan, here we go. Ready to ride and to explore the area. parang ano yan, tango yan sa Brother, you sing for us. You know in Venice they're singing. Oh.
Ate, kunan mo nga kami dito, te. Ito, oh. Yung may arko. Thank you. May arko natin.
1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Gala ko. Ano? Ano?
Isa pa, yan na.
Dito, te.
Kami din.
Ay, ganda.
Saan mo tatak?
Asan?
Nano! parang ano yan, tango yan sa Brother, you sing for us. You know in Venice they're singing. Oh.
Ate, kunan mo nga kami dito, te.
Oh, nandito tayo sa We are going
isa pa.
inside.
Te. Ate Teres, bilis. Baka mamagsak yung puno.
Wow. So nice.
May leon pala. Uy, may nakalala ko po.
Parang meron siyang ano, there's water coming out here. Oh.
Oo nga, pwede, no?
Kasi meron siyang ano, ng parang choke
Oo.
sa bunganga niya.
Pero wala lang siguro ngayon kasi wala.
At wag talaga siyang umano sa atin.
Kasi wala tayong damit. Lunod talaga tayo. Oo, parang mababaw lang. Alam, madumi.
How deep is this? What? This one? Brother, how deep is this? How deep? The water? 3?
3 feet.
What?
Oh,
1
1
feet. 1 feet.
10 meters.
So, this remains a
1
mystery
feet
pa rin
is
mga
ano lang?
ka-Nestify. Yung aming question if how deep the water is here in the Venetian, the little Venice. This is according to our tour guide, 1 feet lang daw. So, parang isang ruler lang siya. Ganun ba?
Sabagay kasi hindi naman namin ginagamit ang feet sa ano.
Ang feet ang ginagamit na sa pagsipa.
May tumbo ka dyan.
At kung chicken feet naman ay kinakain.
Yeah.
No?
Wala pa lang
Diba?
bakro dito.
So, this is the Venetia.
Pero sa kapag ganito tayo.
So, over
Wala akong
here, you
kapag-
will see the water.
Color
And
green.
over here also, you see the water.
Yeah.
And over
Side
there,
by side.
yes, side by side, there's water. Yes. And over there is a forest. And over and water. Yes, you are right. Okay.
Everywhere there's a water.
And
Kasi
if
kuya
you
talaga
want,
kasama to.
picture ka tayo sa kanya.
Oo, kasama nga siya. Ito, meron niya.
You saw your photo? You saw yourself? Oh, what's your name?
Kazan.
Kaza?
Kazam.
Kazan?
Kazan.
Kazan? Tapos na ang kaligayahan natin. Akyat tayo dyan sa sa bridge later. Tapos ma-picture tayo.
Saan?
Ayan o. Akyat tayo.
Diretso na tayo kanina.
So, over here is over
Ay,
here.
oh my gosh.
And there is
also
also...
340, di ba? Sabihin natin makapapili.
Kaya nga.
340 na.
There is also Venetia restaurant here if you want to eat. Yeah. So of course,
There's a bird.
you can come here and visit the Venetia restaurant. They
There's a
have
bird
lots.
and carpet.
You know, they have lots of Venetia there.
Hindi, wala akong naisagot. Oh my gosh.
You have
Wala
to.
akong nai-rebut sa
Kailangan
kanya.
mong mag-rebut. Ano ba? Kailangan. Okay lang, kasi bata ka pa.
Mag-statue ka lang.
Okay, so that's it, our 5 manat. Nakikot na tayo ng buong Venice. Siya.
Buong Venice of Shopping. Nakita niya.
Hi, fans. How are you, fans? Tingnan mo sila. Gusto ko na mag-join sa kanila kasi naka-green. And so healthy. Nasaan na pala sila, Hi, fans. Anong word na gusto mong malaman? What is beautiful in your language?
No language.
Beautiful. You don't know beautiful? Pretty.
No English.
Lovely. No English.
No English? Mati. Please. Hindi talaga sila marunong. Kaya rapid
Ay,
yung mati.
parang ano.
Ay, alam.
Wala talaga sila ano.
Hindi talaga nila ano.
Okay, we're here now. We're docking in the port of...
Talaga.
Yeah, di ba?
Kwak, kwak.
We are docking in the
Berting.
port of...
Berting na lang.
Okay,
Berting.
now-
The best. Talaga.
Now we're stopping the...
Brothers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gusto mo i-follow dito sa side na to.
Yun lang naman palang Venetia. So, ayan. So, nag-enjoy din kami sa aming riding sa mga gondola and Venetian boat. At least na-try namin. At nag-enjoy din kami through the course of our sailing. Wow, sailing. Ayan. So, now, after nito, from the Little Venice, going na kami sa next stop, which is dadaan lang kami ng saglit sa The Carpet Museum.
Sino? Wala tayong mabigyan ng kuya mo. Magbibilas tayo.
So, as mentioned, this is part of the boulevard, the Seaside Boulevard. So, ayan, makikita on the side yung the Little Venice, yung sinakyan namin kanina, yung the Venetian boat. So, pabalik na kami and pupunta na kami sa aming tour guide na naghintay sa amin. So, ito, as you can see, this is
Iikot na lang
also
tayo
one
dyan.
of the
Tapos doon na tayo mag-meet sa kanya.
iconic museum here in Baku, Azerbaijan. Ito yung tinatawag na The Carpet Museum. So, tingnan mo yung architecture ng building ng museum looks like a folded carpet. Ayan. So, as you can see then mga kanestified, makikita sa little bit far away yung the flame tower. So, magkakalapit-lapit lang talaga dito ang mga magagandang tanawin and destination. So, lakad-lakad lang. No? Kung dito ka lang, pwede mo lang talaga ma-enjoy ang pag-walk, relaxing, makita yung magagandang tanawin. So, mga kanestified, it's time to end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and for your time. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. God bless everyone!